Making people happy makes me happy. Cleaning is my solitude. It's my solace. It's my escape from the turmoil of motherhood at home. I feel wonderful going into somebody else's home and helping them out in their time of need and cleaning it all up for them. Also disinfecting businesses, making sure that their facilities are safe. It just makes me happy. Makes me happy to know that I can help other people out that maybe are not able to clean up for themselves due to ailments, depression, financial hardships. It's tough. Cleaning is a tough job, but it's so rewarding. And I really thoroughly love it. I love educating people about cleaning and helping people, and it makes me happy. And it really is a profession. Tell Uncle Sam that I'm not a professional. See what he says. Because I love what I do, and it's a great business.